to another vloggy vlog. Look at those two tourists over there. They're like, yo fam, take a picture of me next to Manhattan Bridge. Look at my mustard pants. My mustard pants are looking good. You know what I mean? Check out my mustard pants. I'm about to have mustard pants. Maybe that's the name of this vlog, mustard pants. Because what's going on is I had a huge lunch. I had this wrap, right? Healthy, okay? So we started with a wheat wrap. We added, boys and girls, let's try this again. Speaking of mustard in my pants, god damn it. Freaking batteries dying, SD cards not reading right. But we're staying with GoPro because GoPro is life. Anyway, lunch. I had a wrap, right? I had a wheat wrap. Supposed to be healthy. We started with pepper cracked turkey. We started with a little bacon, mixed greens, tomatoes, onions, mixed peppers, right? A little bit of Italian dressing. And then there was more. I forgot something else. I don't know. Roasted peppers, maybe. It was a huge, big mess. It was so big. And they charged me fucking $14. How savage is that? $14 for like a little tiny wrap. Well, it was big, but still. That's not impressive. And it's telling me there's ice on the road, which is not true. There's no ice on the road. We are gonna turn on our gloves because it is chilly. This says 39, but oh boy. Come on. Let's not die now. Let's send it. Alright, so that was a delicious little lunch, and it was relatively healthy. It was healthier than like some wild Philly cheesesteak or something. Sorry, I forgot to talk, but the maneuvering of this area is always a little extra. Are we good? All right, let's go. Are we recording? Good. Let's just send it. The name of this video is Mustard Pants, right? I don't know why I'm like fucking hitting the red line. There's no reason for that. There's no reason to hit the red line, right? Who does that? We'll just get ahead just a little bit. Look at this big truck, baby. The suspension is so good. Fucking swapping to Ollins was the best thing ever. At first I was like not sure because of the micro vibrations, because the conversation became very different with the bike. motherfucking right. This bike, fucking hell. Fucking hell. This bike is the best. This bike is the truth. Let's come down. Let's coon dune, Mr. Mustard Pants. Mustard Pants in a hizzy. Got fucking bacon going to my brain. Real talk. Mustard brain, mustard pants. Gross. These kids are about to fucking cross the street. This bike just makes all sorts of noises. It's terrible. It's absolutely awful. Okay, well, that was a vlog, unfortunately. Unfortunately, that was a vlog. So, let's just talk later, I guess. You know what I mean? We'll just talk later. Alright? Okay, bye.